In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export a video from CapCut on PC. So right here, I have a screen recording from another tutorial. Let's say that this is a finished video and I want to export all of this. Obviously, I would edit it, trim it, and make it polished so it's finished. Now, once it's finished and I'm ready to export, go to the export button in the top right-hand corner, and then this window will open. From here, you need to change it to a name, which you're going to recognize. I'm just going to put here finished video. And make sure you export to a folder that you know. So I'm going to choose this folder icon. We're going to go to the desktop and I'll just put it on the desktop. So we'll select the desktop folder. So it's going to be called finished video. It will then export to the desktop. What you can do then is you can choose your resolution. If you've only recorded in 1080, choose 1080. Don't upscale it to 4K because it's not going to be true 4K anyway. So whatever you've recorded in, choose that. Leave the bitrate on recommended and the codec recommended. And I would keep the format on MP4. From here, you can go ahead and make sure you've got audio checked. That's going to render with the audio. You can then click export and it will then save your video. And this is the original. So make sure you've got the original checked. It's then going to prompt you to upload to either TikTok or YouTube. You don't have to do this. Just click cancel because you've already saved your video anyway. Now we'll go ahead and find this video. So here is the video. It's actually created a new project called Finish Video. And here is the actual finished video. So it's finished both of these and it's saved both. So one is an audio file, and if we click on the other one, it is a video file, and it's the video we had in CapCut. So that's how you can save a video in CapCut PC.